TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Thursday morning. 30 minutes to go until that opening bell, and we got markets hanging around flat to positive territory. S&P's up by 1 point right now at 33.71. Got the NASDAQ futures up 69 points at 11,197. The Dow up 14 points, 27,880. Quite a day to the upside from markets yesterday. Commodity-wise, crude flat right now at 42.66. We get the gold contract off $8 at 19.41. Silver up 50 cents at 26.46. And notes and bonds are flat right now. The 10-year at 139.06. The 30-year at 178.23. In terms of Europe, we have the DAX down about 0.3%. The FTSE down about 1%. Asia overnight, Nikkei up 1.8%. How about that? Shanghai was flat. Jumping around the news we got going on in the markets. And what is the headline? The headline is weekly jobless claims under 1 million for the first time since the middle of March. You're talking about almost 5 months we've been dealing with on a weekly basis more than 1 million initial jobless claims. In terms of the continuing claims number, getting down to it, we're at about 15 million for continuing claims. 15.5 to be exact. And there's your chart. You see the trend declining downward, but man, we got a long way to go. 15.5 continuing claims in terms of million people, and we're still adding almost 1 million on a weekly basis. We got a long way to go, but the trend, the market likes it. What else we got? Earnings season. Cisco trading lower on their guidance. To get into the numbers, you had Cisco out with their numbers, 80 cents a share versus 74. Revenue, a small beat as well, but they guide down and they are trading lower. We'll jump over to that chart in a moment. And Lyft earnings out last night as well. Lyft trading lower as well, 86 cents versus 99 cents lost. So the market liking that. They lost less than they were looking for. They had more revenue than they were looking for, but the market not really liking what Lyft delivered in terms of the raw numbers. There you see the acceleration. Lyft under 30 right now, closed at 30.52. Cisco earnings from 48 to 44. Nobody likes guidance on the forecast. And what else we got? Peloton struggling as Apple comes out. We'll jump over to them real quick. Apple, where are we? Where are we? Do we have Peloton? Where were we? Well, there it is. Peloton slips after Apple reportedly eyes a similar product. Beware, folks. Peloton, a very replicatable business plan, and you're seeing the beginning of that potentially as we've now dipped from 73 to 61. Stay tuned, folks. We got our man, Larry Pesavento. He's coming up live next. We'll be right back.